Daddy's was Mount St. Helens.
Look I don't think I got it on video either. Oh my goodness. Look at you.
Okay, Mom's
boys.
turn.
You guys want to do mommies?
I do.
Okay.
Watch this.
Watch this sucker.
Daddy, yours looks really cool.
Okay, watch out. Ah! We need a bigger bowl.
Uh-oh.
That's done. It's done.
Way to go, Dad, my mad scientist.
Watch that.
Yeah, why do 2 teaspoons when you can do like half a cup?
Big. Too
Aww. Okay, now who's going to clean it up?
You.
Mom did say she'd clean it up.
Yeah, that was based on 2 teaspoons of baking soda.
Oh. I don't remember that instruction.
Go for it, babe.
It's
It might be done, honey.
Yeah, it's done.
Okay, say bye.
Can I eat this?
Sure.
It's good. Big scoop. Get some of the side foam.
Hold on, watch this.
Drink it up.
It's all gooey in there.
I dare you to try some.
No.
Okay, that was Volcano Making 101. Way to go, boys.